Okay, hello. So we're going to have the mathematics for grade 6, mathematics 6 and quarter 1 lesson and module 1. Okay, so we're going to have adding fractions, okay? Adding fractions, especially adding fractions with unlike denominators, okay? So how to add fractions that have the similar or not the same denominator. And also simplifying, another lesson for this module is simplifying mixed numbers, okay? So first, we're gonna show you how to add fractions. Okay, so let's proceed to adding fractions. Okay, see, it would be easy. We can only add fractions that have the same denominators, okay? So if the problem is like this, 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6, we got here, okay, so we got here the same denominator. So we just have simply copy that and then proceed to adding the numerator. So 1 plus 2
equals 3.
Okay, 3. So that's our answer. Now, before we end, we have to simplify the answer we got here, okay? So we have to think of a number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator. So nagana number na mabalin ng divide on din 3, mabalin na pa divide on din 6. So yes, very good. 3. We can try here. 3. Okay. So 3 divided by 3?
1.
Okay, we got 1. And then 6 divided by 3? 2. So this is our final answer. 1/2. Okay. Now, what if the problem is like this? Okay. What if the denominators happen to be different? Okay, so let's say we have here 6 and then we have here let's say 3. Okay, so 1/6 plus 2/3. We cannot proceed to just adding these fractions because the denominators are different. Okay, so we have to find the LCD. LCD is the least common denominator, which means na it's a number that can be divided by both denominators. Okay? Mangtog ka number kaya mabalin na divide on the 6, mabalin pa divide on the 3.
3.
Okay, so it should be 6. Okay. So 6 can be divided by 6. 6 can be divided by 3. Now, okay, don't forget to write the plus sign there. What are we going to write here? Can we simply copy the numerators? No, we have to take it like this. The new denominator should be divided by the old denominator. Okay, so 6 divided by 6. 1. Take note of that. And then this one should be multiplied with the numerator. 1 times 1. 1. So we simply write 1 there. Now we do the same. 6 divided by 3. 2. Now we also have to multiply that with the numerator. So 2 times 2. 4. Okay, there we go. So, since we already have the same denominator here, we can proceed to addition. Okay, so simply copy the denominator and then add up the numerators. 1 plus 4? 5. Okay, is there any number that can divide both 5 and 6? No. So, the final answer is 5 over 6. Okay. Okay, we're gonna show you another example, okay, of fractions with different denominators. So let's say we have here 5 over 15 plus 2 over 10. Okay, so as you can see, we have different denominators. Okay, so as we did a while ago, we have to find the least common denominator or the number that can be divided by both 15 and 20. Nagana number na kaya godwa on the 15, kaya pa godwa on the 10. 30. Ibig sabihin. So we have here 30. And then we also put here 30. Okay, what will we do next? The new denominator should be divided by the old denominator. So 30 divided by 15, 2. And then what are we going to do next? Multiply 2 and the numerator. So 2 times 5. Okay, so we got here 10. So the same, 30 divided by 10.
3.
3, very good. And so we have to multiply it with that. So 3 times 2, 6. Now we can proceed to addition. Okay, we're gonna add this like, okay, 30, and then 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, so that is our answer. But we can proceed to simplification or simplifying. Okay, what number can divide both 16 and 30? Let's try 2. Okay, 2 to make the answer or the fraction smaller. 16 divided by 2.
8.
8. Okay. 8. 30 divided by 2. 30 pila no manggoduan nyo ka neneng. Tadwa kayo. Sagpipigayo.
No. 15.
15. So this is our final answer. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have one more example. Okay. So we have here 6 over 8 plus 2 over 4. Okay, so as you can see, we have different denominators. Okay, so we have to think of an LCD or a number that can be divided by both 8 and 4. Nagana number na mabali na divide on the 8, mabalin pa divide on the 4.
8.
Okay, very good. So we have here 8 and also 8. Okay, now what are we going to do next? The new denominator should be divided by the old denominator. So 8 divided by 8?
1.
1. And then we're gonna multiply this with the numerator. 1 times 6.
6.
Okay, so we have to write it down here. 8 divided by 4?
2.
2. And then this should be multiplied with that. So 2 times 2? 4. There you go. We can proceed to addition because we already have here the same denominator. So simply copy the denominator. And then 6 plus 4. 10. Okay, so that's our answer. 10 over 8. But, okay, this is leading us to the next lesson, which is mixed numbers. Okay, getting the mixed numbers. What will we do if the numerator is higher than the denominator? Okay, this is called improper fraction. Okay, the numerator is higher than the denominator. We have to, what shall we do? Divide it. Okay, so we're gonna put 10 inside, 8 as the divider. Okay, and let's proceed to division. 10 divided by 8. Pigan 8 ni awad siya 10.
1.
Okay, so we got here 1. 1 times 8, 8. And then 10 minus 8,
2.
okay, 2. We're done. So we are going to, the number up here is the whole number. And the remaining number here, that is our numerator. And then our divider, which is 8, should be put there. Okay, but we're not yet done there. We have to simplify the fraction. Okay, so think of a number that can divide both the numerator and the denominator. That is 2. Okay, 2. So 2 divided by 2?
1.
8 divided by 2?
4.
4. Okay, there we go. And then don't forget the whole number. Okay, there you go. So this is our final answer. Okay, bye.